Midwest Brazil, Mato Grosso, one of the richest regions of the country. Synonym of development and economic growth based on agriculture, livestock, vegetation and mineral extraction. Birthplace of large rivers and important ecosystems. And as a meeting place of different biomes, it is characterised by the uniqueness of its biodiversity. The association between economic and social development and the conservation of biodiversity, combined with sustainable use of natural resources, is considered the great human challenge of this century. The graduate program in Environmental Sciences is based at the University campus of Sinop, UFMT, and seeks through its areas of concentration the use and knowledge of biodiversity and natural products, and together with its interdisciplinary teaching staff to establish ways of aggregating economic development with the use and conservation of natural resources through knowledge of the environmental processes that sustain the ecosystems of Mato Grosso, as well as valuing products derived from their biodiversity for the benefit of improving quality of life. Identifying the region's biological diversity, the physical conditions of the environment, bioclimatic and meteorological aspects, impacts of human exploration and quantifying available resources are all essential in defining the relationship between the physical environment and biodiversity. Water, forestry and mineral resources, their stocks and their sustainable exploitation, waste management and environmental contamination, as well as biodiversity and its uses, are the focuses of activity of different researchers in the graduate program in Environmental Sciences. Among these areas of activity, qualitative and quantitative studies of water resources involving soil and water conservation engineering, hydrological simulation, statistical hydrology and hydrometeorology are all important in the planning and sustainable management of water resources in the Amazon region, and all are standout activities, as well as the biodiversity that constitutes other central focuses of research from several laboratories, linked to the graduate program in Environmental Sciences, from microorganisms to plants and higher animals. All knowledge generated about the Amazonian biodiversity is subsidy to bioprospecting studies. Microorganisms, insects, amphibians, fish, and plants are the basis of these studies and the focus of the researchers linked to the area of natural products in the graduate program in Environmental Sciences. Venom from amphibians and snakes is extracted and used in bioprospecting studies, valuing regional biodiversity, as these substances have shown great potential in the development of drugs and products that aim to replace the agrochemicals in the current agricultural market. Possible antioxidant effects that plant extracts may present are also investigated, as well as possible effects of pesticides on fish health and as bioindication models of environmental pollution. Plant extracts are also analysed due to their potential for antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-mutagenic and anxiolytic biological activity. Plant and animal extracts are prepared in the laboratory, their chemical composition analysed, and part of the extract is submitted to biological activity tests, being fractionated for isolation, purification, and structural elucidation of the molecules, using different techniques in order to prove and assign the biological activity to a class of compounds or to a particular molecule. Studies about anti-mutagenesis and mutagenesis are also developed. In vivo and in vitro tests with crude extract of natural products showing possible biological potential in the chemoprevention of cancer are performed. Thus, our studies aim to identify compounds with potential for use in preventing DNA damage and consequently in the development of the carcinogenic process. In general, the program provides students with professional opportunities in a wide variety of areas in the environmental sciences. both in the scientific and development of technological innovation procedures, highlighting the production and generation of knowledge, and contributing to the socio-economic and environmental development of Mato Grosso and Brazil. We can say that some people dream of success, while others only think of a better and sustainable world. This is the focus of the graduate program in Environmental Sciences. To connect diversity and reveal knowledge. Come and be part of this idea.